Having a sparkling, beautiful pool is really part of the California dream lifestyle. And to maintain that, you can get great help from Payan Pool Service, which is why I'm kind of going behind the scenes today with Javier Payan, owner and founder of Payan Pool Service, to really talk about what the Payan difference is, because Payan Pool Service is not like the competition. So let's talk about why not.
Well, thank you, Jordan. Thanks for having us here. So, not all pool companies are created equal. It's really simple. Like the point of entry into a pool business is
it's pretty low.
Pretty easy, pretty low. You just need a truck and a net and you're in business. But there's really, like for a pool like this, there's a great family that lives here. They use the pool a lot. You want to make sure that the pool is safe, that it's healthy. I mean, the family at this particular location is going to really have many years of enjoyment. And you want to make sure that things work when they get to work. And systems can be very complex, and we put a lot of time into our employees. So
the pool systems, you mean?
Yeah, the pool systems are there's a lot of electronics involved, gas heaters, variable speed pool pumps, the whole thing. So our technicians are trained on how to properly install it, how to properly use it, and should something go wrong, we know how to fix it.
Which is so important. And let's talk about the regular trainings you do, because I was even at a staff meeting this morning to check out what kind of education goes into your team.
Yeah, so on any given year, we probably put in about 40 hours of ongoing training for our average service technicians.
That's incredible.
And by comparison, when I talk to my peers, there's really no training format. They're released out into the wild,
yeah,
as to say, and then they're just expected to do their job. But there's really a tremendous amount to learn, and we learn every day, and we try to communicate that from the top down so that our employees have got the tools and the resources to do the best possible job.
And then of course that leads into the professionalism that they bring out to each home, and just the way that the business is even run. The desire to have that education goes such a long way. And Payan Pool Service is such a professional company, which is also very unusual for the pool maintenance industry.
Sure, and again, the point of entry is very low, bar set very low, and so we don't really subscribe to that way of thinking. We think there's one way of doing business that's the right way. Having trained employees, investing in their education, investing in systems and processes so that we are the best we can be. So the end result is we are taking care of people's California dream here.
So we can have the California dream and have that beautiful sparkling pool all year long. Get started with Payan Pool Service today.